So the other thing to notice is that these posts are planted in the ground. So there they are. Put a star on top just in case. So if you then would wiggle this, so this secure. Go over to the next one. Check it out. This one's reasonably secure. And we go over to this one. Shake it. Not too bad. Next one over. As you can see, the soil is moving. Not even pushing that hard. See? Alright, so that's one of them. It's next to a tree, so you'll see. Same problem. Not that secure. And this one over here. Have a look. Oops. Oh, darn, I just pushed it over. Let's see. So, here's, this is now put in the ground, but I'm moving it around as if it's not. This one here is all twisted out of it. Oops. Oops, I almost fell over here. As you can see, it looks like there's concrete in there, but the post is totally loose. And this is same problem here. As you can see, wiggling the post. It's not even tightly in the ground. Good grip and it's over. This one, reasonably secure. Better, this one, reasonably secure. This one, whoops, shit, almost fell over here. You can see, this is the kind of effect we get. Post planted in here. Next one over. Same thing, not very secure. A good push. And it'll probably fall over. So let's see here to the corner. Same thing. As you can see, doesn't take much to move the pole. So, and that's supposedly concreted into the ground. This one's the same. The ground's moving, so it's not even dug into the ground. And this is the corner post. I can move it. So, all in all, not doing too badly with an average of no posts secured in the ground.